Hey YouTube, this is RTS Commander with rtscommand.com, where we love real-time strategy games, turn-based strategy games, and anything that makes you think. Today we're going to be showing you how to do Game of War, how to go ahead and create an alliance. So there are two prerequisites to creating alliance. One, you have to have a stronghold that is a level 5 to be able to create an alliance. And then you need to go to the Alliance tab, and you need to make sure that you are not currently part of an alliance. If you are, then you need to select Leave an Alliance. All right, so right here you have the opportunity to join an alliance, and then up here you have the opportunity to create an alliance. So you click Create. Now the hardest part of creating an alliance is actually coming up with a 3-part tag that somebody else hasn't already come up with. So it took me about 20 minutes to be able to find one that did not already exist. And since the game has been out for about 2 years now, a lot of them are already chosen. So we're going to call ours Conquer That. So we'll go ahead and get in here. All right, and it's thinking real quick, so let it think. All right, then it's going to tell you if it's available right here. And then we're going to come up with our gamer tag. Now, like I said, it took me a while to figure out what the gamer tag was going to be because so many of them have already chosen. I had to think of a lot of different combinations. And like I said, most of them are already taken. So all right, and what you're waiting for is the check mark. All right, and then you'll go ahead and scroll down. You select your symbol for your alliance. And we've already chosen the symbol that we want. We just got to scroll down and find it. All right. All right, then you scroll down, you select your language. Ours is going to be English. And then you create alliance. Now the great thing is after that you can set your rules, set all of the things that you want with your alliance. Okay, so it makes some crazy sounds. It says alliance created. You are now the leader of C7 or Conquer That. So say OK. And the great thing about being a leader is that you're the very top of the ranks. You have the ability to promote people, set the rules for your alliance. You can boot people out of your alliance or kick them, as the server calls it. You can also promote and demote people so that you can try to make the strongest alliance possible. All right, my son wanted to come over here and help me create an alliance, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And so basically when you're done with that, you start recruiting people. We actually have a bunch of people who already want to join, so we're going to go ahead and send out messages to them. And what you want to try to do is after you create your alliance, try to create an alliance hub, which means that you will have all of your players surrounding your cities. Which means that if you guys need to reinforce each other or if you need to trade resources, you can do it rather quickly as opposed to being spread out all over the world and not being able to reinforce each other, not being able to trade efficiently, and it's going to save you a lot of time, headache, and it's also going to help you grow your alliance faster. So hopefully this was an informative tutorial. If you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. Please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and as always, make sure that you enjoy your strategy while you can. We'll talk to you later.